The incoming Travis County District Attorney José Garza is teaming up with his former political opponent to reform the way sexual assault cases are handled in the county.
KXAN's Avery Travis reports on how Erin Martinson hopes to tackle these intense cases as the newest attorney on Garza's team.
A few months ago, they were fighting for votes on the debate stage.
It's sort of like combat circumstances, right?
But José Garza and Erin Martinson actually joined forces with a common goal: changing the way sexual assault victims are treated in the criminal justice system.
But when we listen to victims, I think that changes what justice looks like.
As the newly named head of the Special Victims Unit, Martinson says she plans to offer resources to every victim, even if the office isn't taking their case to trial.
We know not every case is going to be prosecuted, but it matters the way that you tell survivors that. It matters how you speak to them when you first meet them. It matters that you meet them.
Marina Garrett is one of the women who sued the current district attorney, Margaret Moore, claiming her assault case was mishandled. A judge dismissed that lawsuit, but Garrett and the other plaintiffs have appealed.
You know, I get very overwhelmed and emotional to know that survivors that come after me are going to get that experience and not be re-traumatized.
But these prosecutors will face an additional hurdle in bringing cases like these to trial. The pandemic has left courtrooms empty and jury trials delayed for months.
We will be walking into a backlog.
For Garza, that means changes outside the courtroom are more important than ever.
We're not focused on the numbers, we're focused on the people.
Avery Travis, KXAN News.
Martinson and Garza noted their first step in office would be to rejoin the Sexual Assault Response and Resource Team, or SART. The current DA, Margaret Moore, left that group and formed her own after criticism about her office's handling of sexual assault cases. At the time, Moore defended her office's record, but said her participation in the group could distract from the group's mission.